Hi class, I'm Venkata Kalavalapalli. This video is about my course project that I did for system analysis and design. So it's about my project that I will present to Oracle company for approval. So it's a finance app project that will help clients to manage their finances. It has a functional requirements of user login, the account management, the payment, finance tip, and also the business requirements has a scalability, compatibility, usability, reliability, and the security performance. So the business process model first step is to present app to an Oracle company quality assurance board. So the team reviews the app's performance for errors and emissions. If this preliminary quality evaluation passes, the application moves to the review thing. So in this instance, a reviewer may evaluate the app more thoroughly, and after reviewing, the outcomes are possible, like the adopted application status means the company has to choose to install the app. And the second option is written for improvement. So this suggests that the applicant is lacking information or made some mistakes that must be corrected before it is approved. So coming to the sequence diagram for the financial app, it shows the different features of the app and how they interact with each other. So the app user represents the person who uses the app to manage their finances. And the second is the create account. This function allows users to create an account with the financial institution. And the third is check balance. This function allows users to view their current account balance. And the fourth is a bank server, which represents the server that stores the user's account information and other data. And the financial tips, this function provides users with financial tips and advice, like presumably the tips are generated based on the user's financial data or goals. And finally the balance amount, which displays the user's current account balance. I mean, it's connected to the bank server to show the most up-to-date amount. And the account profile created option, which indicates that a new account has been successfully created for the user. And coming to the use case diagram, the use case diagram above shows a financial app with a sign up, profile, balance, financial advice, and payment processing functionalities. The software also connects to the third party services like banks, PayPal, and credit card companies to access its database. And coming to the class diagram, which has a one to many relationship, which is evident when the user utilizes numerous accounts. Users have several accounts, including checking, savings, and more. So the users can ask for different financial tips, indicating a one to many relationship. So there are a lot of financial recommendations that users may find and ask for using the app. And a one to many relationships allows the users to pay for several bills. The user may have multiple bills to pay to different companies. So one of the concerns I identified are the privacy concerns. Like there was a high chance that the data stored in the app would be accessed by the third parties who might be malicious. So another concern is kind of ethical concern. The app collects personal information from the users without their consent. The Finance app is a kind of revolutionary platform that will enable Oracle's client to manage their finances. And I also have provided some illustrations and imported diagrams in the document I submitted in the Unit 8 project to explain the working of the app, which will help the convince the board at Oracle company to adopt it. So coming to the Oracle, Oracle plans to develop a cutting-edge financial application that will enable customers to organize and manage their financial affairs. So the purpose of the app for managing finances is to make the management of personal finances easier. So with the app's user-friendly layout and thorough connection with other financial institutions, users will have an easier time monitoring their accounts, like checking their balances and making the transactions. So the app which I developed process provides the users with educational materials and individualized financial advice to assist them in achieving their desired financial outcomes. And additionally, the app provides users with access to the following resources in addition to account management. So this app is developed using an agile method that is based on a Scrum, which provides a development method that is both comprehensive and productive. So using this iterative development technique, focused sprints are used, with each sprint having its own set of features and services. So An app that is both responsive and dynamic will be developed through a collaborative effort between the developers, financial data analysts, user interface designers, and security specialists. And among the functional requirements are the processing of the payments, the protection of the user identities, the management of accounts, and the provision of an all encompassing financial dashboard. And some of the non-functional requirements of this app include reliability, usability, performance, accessibility, and scalability, users anticipation. And the diagrams such as flow charts, sequence diagrams, class diagrams, business process diagrams, and use case diagrams are included in the collection of diagrams which I mentioned in the Unit 8 final project. And the architecture and the operations of the application are depicted in these diagrams. So stakeholders will have a better understanding of the program, and the development team will be able to follow their modeling by deconstructing these diagrams to reflect the app's data flow, the interactions, and features. The data dictionary of the app also contains the data structures and connections of the application. Throughout the entirety of the development process, this indispensable tool guarantees correctness and dependability, hence facilitating straightforward integration and efficient data administration. Throughout the course of the project, the app's durability, scalability, maintainability, and security will be evaluated. For the purpose of ensuring that the application complies with the regulatory compliance standards and industry best practices, the developer will identify and reduce any risk that may arise. So, in order to provide the highest possible level of privacy and security for the sensitive financial data, the user responsibilities and access controls, it should be clearly defined. So, yeah, thank you.